Our second special right triangle is the 30, 60, 90. This comes from an equilateral triangle being split into two, where one angle is 30 and the other angle is 60. In this triangle, all three side lengths are different. Our short side, opposite of the 30-degree angle, is our x. Our hypotenuse is our 2 times the short leg, so 2x. And then our long leg, opposite of the 60-degree angle, is our short leg times root 3, so x root 3. This tends to be the hardest of the two triangles because all three sides are different, but have no fear, I'll show you some tricks. It really helps to label your triangle so then it's easier to follow the pattern. Here we're given our short side, so we just need to multiply by 2 to get our hypotenuse and multiply by root 3 to get our long leg. Next example, label. In this case, we have our hypotenuse, so we need to divide by 2 to come back to our short leg. Then we can just move forward and multiply by root 3 to get our long leg. Here we have our long leg for root 3, so we need to divide out the root 3 to get our short leg. Then we can move forward to get our hypotenuse. These three examples are going to be the easiest kind because they follow the pattern and it's easier to do the math. These three examples are going to be a little more difficult because they require a little more work. Here we have our short leg as root 3. We need to multiply it by 2 to get the hypotenuse and multiply it by root 3 to get to the long leg. Here we're given the long leg of 15 that is in the root 3 spot, so we need to divide the root 3 out to come back to our short leg. This involves rationalizing the denominator. And our short leg is 5 root 3. Now we can double that to get the hypotenuse of 10 root 3. In this last example, we have a hypotenuse of 2x. We need to divide the 2 out to get our short leg, which is just 9 halves. I tell my students to leave it as an improper fraction because it's easier to do the math with. We just need to multiply that by root 3, which is 9 root 3 over 2. This bottom row is a little more challenging because it required a little more work, but all of these follow the same pattern for a 30, 60, 90 right triangle.